Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Kawasaki Vulcan S. As you can see, comes with a wee bit of luggage as well. We'll do a full walk around and I'll get the bike started up for you also. Down here at the forks, pretty good condition. Got Dunlop tyres on here, plenty of life left in them. Got some nice crash bungs on here. Now, bodywork wise, the bike is in really good condition. There's a spring for you. So yeah, nothing to really flag up in regards to any damage on here. It's in really good nick. No rips and tears in the seat. We've got the shad panniers on here. There's a little bit of scuffing on them. Nothing too bad. Got Dunlop tyre here on the rear as well. Looking pretty good. Chain and sprockets are in good condition. Again, the overall bodywork is very good. Let me get the bike started up for you and you can hear how she sounds. Start up. Now I'll just give the bike a few minutes to warm up. What else to do, I'll just confirm everything's working on it. So we'll start with the indicators here. Right, you can see them. Nice bright day, so daylight running light, daytime running light, and that's your full beam on as well. Horn works, and I've got a few days to hear how she sounds.